Hello, dear friends and valuable viewers. How are you all? I hope all are well. I am also fine by the grace of Almighty. This is Engineer Polash Mojumdar, Instructor, Chatpuri Janata High School and College, Kumila Srodha South, Kumila, Bangladesh in front of you. Now I am sharing some documents and issues with you. Please, all are watching and comment us for next time. Exclusive something to do, my dearest students. I hope all are encourage us. Please come on with us and watch my presentation.
So now you start, sir.
Okay, sir. Okay.
Because you are host, then you make me host, and then I share you something.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Okay.
Thank you, dear sir. Our today's second session.
Second station.
Yes, sir. So now I am sharing my presentation. Please
Okay.
cooperate me.
Okay, sir.
Good morning, sir.
Good morning. Good morning.
Today is our second session, date 20 May 2021.
21.
It is our new destination of new friendship,
Yes, sir.
international experience, India and Bangladesh.
Bangladesh.
This is our interview. Introduction of family and overview of project.
Project.
Me and you are our joint program and
Yes, sir.
participation. This is Engineer Polash Kanti Mojumdar, Instructor, Chatpur Janata High School and College, Kumila Srodha South, Kumila, Bangladesh. Session 2, Introduction to Family and Overview of Project, presented by Engineer Polash Mojumdar.
Yes, sir.
When we are joint family, now my family background. My grandfather, late Hori Mohan Mojumdar, his 4 sons and 1 daughter. Late Nimal Mojumdar is first son, and late Niranjan Mojumdar is second son. Late Subhashini Mojumdar is third or 1 daughter, only
Yes, sir.
daughter. Mr. Sunil Mojumdar, my father, and Onil Mojumdar is my uncle, is a little uncle or small uncle.
Yes, sir.
My father, Sunil Chandra Majumdar. Our family. My mother name is Sugita Majumdar. My father and mother's son are 3 sons. First, Polash Majumdar, me, and second son, my second brother is Ashish Majumdar, and third brother is Devashish Majumdar.
Devashish.
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 Yes, our family. My father Sunil Chandra Majumdar, retired school teacher, Juraganj Model High School, which is my SSA 6 to 10. 6 to 10.
Okay.
My study school. He's here, teacher, BA, B.Ed, Mesorai, Chattogram, Bangladesh. My mother is a housewife.
Yes, sir.
Sorry. My second brother, Dr. Ashish Majumdar, he is a doctor, family physician of Family Plan Administration, Chattogram, Bangladesh. His family, his wife, 1 daughter and 1 son.
Son.
Yes. My third brother, Engineer Devashish Mojumdar, instructor, Rahmania Sirosopis High School and College, Kumila, Bangladesh. Is also good married some days ago.
Okay.
My family. Uh,
Okay.
this is Engineer Polashkanti Mojumdar. My spouse, Shebika Rani Mojumdar. My first son, late Sudipta Mojumdar. My second son, Isparsha Mojumdar. And third son, Ispandan Mojumdar. Sudipta is when he is 2005 is death road accident.
So
After-
sad, sir.
Yes, sir. Next, Isparsha Mojumdar is born 2007 and 2013.
Okay.
Ispandan Mojumdar is born. My family is my wife, present second child and first child.
Okay, sir. Nice family.
Thank you, sir. My wife, Sevika Rani Pal, senior staff nurse, Kumila Medical College Hospital, is a government job holder
Okay.
in Kumila,
That's
Bangladesh. My late son, Sudipta Mojumdar, is my wife's when he is 3 years old. And next, Isparsha Mojumdar, my second son, now is first son, a student of class 8, Kumila Zilla School. Our Kumila first main government school is Kumila Zilla School. He is study here.
okay.
Now is class 8.
That's it.
Class 8, yeah. Third son, that means now is second son, Ispandan Mojumdar, a student of elementary, age 5 plus.
A+.
Problem is COVID-19. He's not going to school.
Okay. Same here also.
Yes, sir. Same. All of us same. So our family background discussed, and now I am discussing our project overview. Now I discuss what is sustainable development goals. Mainly our project is sustainable development goals in 17 criteria. Main criteria is our education is sustainable development goal for sustainable development goals. The sustainable development goals or global goals are a collection of 17 interlinked global goals designed to be a blueprint to achieve a better and more sustainable future for all. The SDGs were set up the 2015 by the United Nations General Assembly and are intended to be achieved by the year 2030. This is practice sustainable goal. Do you understand, sir?
Yes, sir. I hear you.
Okay, sir. Next, who set sustainable development goals and when?
And
Sustainable development goals is set up in United Nations General Assembly. Their mission is a blueprint of achieve a better and more sustainable future for all by 2030.
2030.
This is near our near. Established 2015
15.
Founder, United Nations Organization. Location, global.
Well,
What is 21st century learning?
Francis.
A 21st century education is about giving students the skills they need to succeed in this new world and helping them grow the confidence to practice
Practice.
those skills. With so much information readily available to them, 21st century skill focus more on making sense of that information, sharing and use it in smart ways. That is 21st century learning. Next, what is SDG number 1? What are 21st century skills? SDG, Sustainable Development Goals 1.1 is the school
School.
enterprise challenge is an international business program for schools. The Business Smart Up Awards program for schools around the world because change makers get inspired, build business skill, join the movement. That is our SDG 1.
First goal.
First goal. What is meant by 21st century skill? The term 21st century skills refers to a broad set of knowledge, skill, work habit, and character traits that are developed by educators, school informers, college professors, employers, and others to be critically important to success in today's world, particular in collegiate program and contemporary careers. Next, what are example of 21st century skill? Learning skill, also known as the 4Cs of 21st century learning, thus include critical thinking, communication, collaboration, and
Creativity.
now we are collaboration program, making
Yes, sir.
collaboration program. The 4Cs of 21st century skill are critical thinking, finding solution to problem, creativity, thinking outside the box, collaboration, work with others, and communication, talk to others. Mainly 4 skills. Then, what is importance to 21st century skills? As a student, develop skills such as critical thinking and perspective talking. They will be more flexible and adaptable in our consistently changing workforce. Increase their ability to work across culturally and be able to take on position the leadership, mainly or build up a leadership, changing workforces, increase their ability. To our importance to 21st century skill. What is 12 way to
12 ways.
help students development 21st century skill with makes empire? That means 4 skill. 4 skill mainly, first of all, communication. Communication is very important for us
Yes, sir.
because variety areas of our workplace. Now, students sharing thoughts, ideas, question and solution in powerful way. 1 point. Point 1. Ask student to show their understanding of a concept or idea use making Empire's 3D design software. How can they communicate the concept of a quarter, a task, a bird, birds or animals, birds and
Adaptations.
adaptation. Mainly
Adaptation.
how to adapt our natural area. Secondly, have students explain the process they followed while designing in 3D. What steps did they take? What decision did she make? It is for his or her ability. Encourage students to provide constructive feedback to help other students improve their designs. How might they use the comments future in makes Empire to do this? Mainly inspire. Mainly inspire is very important for all students because his really his own making is very important. Then second point is collaboration. Acid shared goals with others, thinking together to harnessing the idea, skill, and expertise of the group. There are point is 4. Provide
Opportunities
for students to work on collaborative project where each student takes responsibility for an aspect of a large group of project, mainly group work. For example, attempts at state medical college, working groups of create on a and some pays attention. Each student was responsible for the design of a particular element of the space station and for making sure the element fit with the overall design. All students make a design for own ideas. Provide opportunities for students to work collaboratively on solving real world problems. In this example, from Stephen schools, the students work together to come up with one effective solution to a problem. It's very important. Effective solution. Then number of 6, set up design challenge where students work together on the same design. We have seen
great
challenges where each student added a new element to a design. Designs are passed around until the end result has been contributed to by everyone in the group. That means group work is our knowledge gather is very important. Is group work. Critical thinking is third option. Looking at problems in new ways, making smart decision and making connections to others, subject and ideas. Point 7. Present students with real world scenarios and ask them to identify problems, issues, or problems, possible issues or problems by positioning students as problem seekers and problem finders. We are encouraging them to think critically when they are identifying needs to opportunities. Opportunities is main at this point. Identify, need identify, and opportunities. Next one, number 8. Develop a class question with students generated questions to guide their thinking when they are designing. Example, is there a better way to, how might I make things stronger? Stronger. That is just example for these points. Next, support students to develop criteria for success for their design projects and use thus to evaluate and improve the design and solution the develop. Evaluating is very important. Evaluating and improve the design. Improve the design and solution they develop. Step by step. Last one, creativity. Creativity is very important of every student. Generating and testing new idea, being innovative, innovation, or enterprising. Point of 10, provide opening, design challenges to encourage creativity. Example, design a better way to eat spaghetti or spaghetti or create your dream house. Create your dream house. Mean student create her or his dream house. Next point is 11. Added constant to design challenges to encourage students to come up with new idea and alternative way to solve problems. Alternative idea. That means various idea, and which is better is taken. That example, the dream house must use exactly 100 blocks or the spaghetti solutions must include a cock. Yes, a cock. Include a cock. Last one, 12.12. Encourage students to come up with as many ideas as they can before selecting an idea for a design solution. Can they come up with 100 ideas in 10 minutes? 10 minutes. It is very difficult, but it's neat. What is the craziest idea they can think of? What if they had all the money in the world? That is our tourist creativity. So overall, that is my presentation. Thank you, sir. Thank you all.
Okay. Now you make me host.
Yes, sir. Now I
Sir, I have one doubt.
Sorry, sir.
Hello.
Sir?
I have one doubt. From where you collect this information?
Oh, no problem, sir. No problem. Yes, okay, sir.
I have only myself and my family's information.
Okay, sir. Our sustainable goals project is all okay. It's all you and both are same. Yes, sir.
Yes, yes. So, that's why. So I can't get that information.
Okay, sir.
So you make me host, and now I
Okay,
am checking my family.
okay, sir. Make host, and now you can host.
Okay, sir. Thank you,
Now
sir.
you are okay, sir. Okay, sir. Now I stop share.
Okay, now I am sharing my PPT.
Okay, sir.
This is our logo, and we are participant.
Okay, sir.
Okay,
Uh,
introduction of participant.
thank you very much, sir.
Now introduction of family.
Okay.
Myself.
Thank you, sir. Oh, really good.
You're seeing my screen.
Yeah.
Okay, myself, Mahendra Golanda Singh, assistant teacher.
Oh,
You know that.
same
Uh,
as.
okay. Introduction of family. This is my father.
Oh,
Uh,
retired government.
Mr. Government Secretary.
Yes, sir.
He is retired government servant.
Wow, very nice.
And we have a small family.
Oh, nice family.
Uh,
Very nice family.
my father, mother, my wife, and in middle, this is my daughter.
Daughter, yeah. Yes. Daughter and two daughters,
Father,
and
daughter.
one boy or one girl.
So only one daughter. I have only one daughter.
Oh, yeah, yeah. Okay, sir.
You can see this is my beloved daughter.
Wow, very nice.
Thank you, sir. This is a function of our cluster head retirement program.
Oh, your
I,
cultural program.
cluster head.
Yeah,
And,
very nice.
here I got best award for me,
Wow.
and now this end of my introduction.
Yes, sir. Okay,
Okay.
very nice. Your thank you very much, sir. Your presentation is very nice, and your family is very very intelligent family.
Okay, sir.
I'm very now. Please give me a host. I cannot take my speaker.
Okay, now I
Please
make you host.
make yes, sir.
Yes, sir. Now you are host, sir.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Sir, please share me some matter of third session when we end our session, today's session.
Okay, sir. We will discuss. What, sir?
Okay, sir.
Okay, thank you very much, sir. Today's our very well program for your kind cooperation and
Thank
cooperativity.
you.
I'm very glad and very proud for you.
Okay, sir.
So, thank you. Today's finished our program.
Okay, sir.
Or okay,
Okay.
okay. Thank you very much, sir. Thank you.
Share this link, sir. Me.
Oh, okay, sir. Share
Okay.
our
Now,
several times, just a few times, make a videos.
Okay, sir,
So,
okay.
yes,
Tomorrow.
sir. Yes, sir.
Tomorrow I will make a long PPT.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Then we discuss on it.
Okay. Okay, sir. Now finish the in our program.
Yes, yes. Now you can answer.
Okay, sir. Thank you. Thank you very much. Hope you are
Thank you.
glad.
Thank you, sir. And
Okay.
it was
Thank
perfect.
you. Dear friends and viewers, thank you all for today, for the time being. Thank you all. Thank you very much.